Pandey. Welcome back to my vlog. First of all, thank you so much for all the love and support to my videos. So a lot of you wanted an in-depth video on sunscreen, so here it is. Also, there is a special product which I'm going to review in the end of this video, so keep watching. So let's start with Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Gel.
This is a very lightweight sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++, quick absorbing, non-sticky and for all skin type. It is also non-comedogenic and it has a broad spectrum sun protection, so it gives you 92% of protection from UV rays.
So after 10 minutes, this is how it looks. It gives you very good shine. It feels like serum on your face. It's very lightweight. It is not at all sticky. It has a bit of a scent perfume, which I don't like, but otherwise, and most important, it does not leave any white cast. As you can see, it's very textured like a serum. So it's moisturizing, and slowly as it says, it is a ultra matte gel. Maybe with time it will set and give you a matte look, but yeah, when you apply, it's very moisturizing and very light. So let's move on to our next sunscreen, which is Dr. Gala's Sunscreen Nano Gel.
This sunscreen has high protection, UVA plus UVB plus IRA, skin protection by broad spectrum filters, non-comedogenic, non-irritant and suitable for all skin type. SPF 50, it does has fragrance, but I think if you are okay with it, then this is the best one you can have.
Yeah, this one is just like moisturizer. It has a very light texture. It does not give you white cast. It does have fragrance, so yes, if you don't like fragrance, then this is not for you. Otherwise, this one is the best. I love it. So let's start with the third one. This is Lakme Sun Expert Ultra Matte Lotion. Other one was gel, this one is lotion. So let's see how this one is.
This sunscreen is a bit towards heavier side. It takes a minute to blend it in your skin. It is a broad spectrum filter sun protection. It gives you PA+++ with SPF 50. It is non-comedogenic, but it does leave you with white cast and it has fragrance.
So this one is exactly like a sunscreen because it's a sunscreen. Wow. So yeah, it does give you white cast. It has fragrance. It is very heavy formulation, so it's a thing for oily skin. Otherwise, it gives you 95% of sun protection. So this one is the best if you are just looking for a very heavy sun protection. So let's move on to the last product we have. It's so true, Dailyuse set.
This sunscreen is lightweight in texture. It does give you some white cast. It is broad spectrum, PA++++. It is for all skin type. It is non-comedogenic and it contains vitamin E oil, which is very good for your skin.
Yes, so this one has a very premium feeling. You don't mess your hands every time you apply. Like, I prefer stick sunscreen most of the time when I'm traveling because one, you have makeup on, and next that it gets very messy. You can't wash your hand again and again. And this one, you just have to remove it and just apply on your face. So that's why I just love stick sunscreens. It does have fragrance. It gives you very light white cast. That's why I just go and blend it with my hands. Otherwise, this one is the best if you have to apply sunscreen every 2 hours. Go for this one. This is best for dry skin, guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and let me know if you guys want me to review any other sunscreen or any product. I am here for you guys. Okay, so we forgot something. That amazing product. So usually this thing happens that we get very chapped lips during summers. It's very weird, but we do get it. So we can't apply sunscreen all over our lips again and again. So I just came across this product which is from Sol 10, and this is a lip sunscreen. So yeah, this is a sun stick which protects your lips from sun. Do try all these products and share your reviews with me. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next one.